Hello, my name is Keely Hansen, and welcome to my presentation for the Willow Bank Landscaping Project from the perspective of Winona Nursery and Landscaping Proposal. This is for St. Mary's, University of Minnesota, PRM 615, Procurement Management. In today's presentation, we'll be going over the proposal, including the executive summary, management section, technical section, cost section, and the project schedule. We'll conclude with a summary and references. Winona Nursery and Landscaping has a long-standing reputation for dedication to service in the Winona community with over 20 years of landscaping experience. We have completed many projects ranging from residential, commercial, and government clients. Our experienced team is dedicated to creating aesthetically pleasing and functional outdoor spaces. Our specialty is in our nursery, our local plants for sustainable landscaping custom to the area along the Mississippi River. The cost of the proposed landscaping project for Willow Bank is outlined and detailed in the project estimate provided in the accompanying documents and in our cost section of this slide. Our competitive pricing reflects the high quality materials, expertise, and quality that Winona Nursery and Landscaping consistently deliver. Winona Nursery and Landscaping is confident that our proposal meets the requirements outlined in RFP and SOW for the Willow Bank of Winona Landscaping Project. Our project team consists of highly qualified and experienced professionals dedicated to delivering outstanding results. In Figure 1, you can see our Winona Nursery and Landscaping organizational chart for this project. Our project manager holds a degree in landscape architecture and has over 10 years of project management experience. They are responsible for overseeing the entire project. This includes ensuring adherence to timelines and milestones, managing communication, and coordinating with the project team. Our senior landscaper holds a horticulture degree and has over 15 years of experience in landscaping. They're there to provide expert guidance on landscape design, selection of vegetation, and ensure proper execution of landscaping activities. Our builder holds a construction management degree and has an extensive hardscape construction experience background. They oversee the installation of hardscape features, including pathways and retaining walls. They ensure alignment, stability, and structural integrity. The landscape gardener holds a certification in landscape gardening and has experience in plant care and maintenance. Their responsibility is overseeing the planting of vegetation, ensuring proper soil preparation, and providing ongoing maintenance guidelines. Our laborers are experienced in landscaping labor and knowledge of site preparation, excavation, and general landscaping tasks. Their responsibilities are to assist in various landscaping activities, including site clearing, soil preparation, planting, and general labor support. Through our well-defined organizational structure and highly qualified project team, Winona Nursery and Landscaping demonstrates the ability to effectively manage and coordinate the proposed project. Our team members' qualifications, experience, and defined roles and responsibilities ensure seamless collaboration and effective project execution. We are confident in our ability to deliver a high-quality landscaping project that meets and exceeds the expectations of Willow Bank. The technical section covers each of the tasks listed in the statement of work. I will address each of the requirements for the project and how we intend to meet each. Debris removal. Winona Nursery and Landscaping Company assesses and clears the site of all flooding debris, including existing vegetation, trash, or obstacles, using machinery or collected by hand. The debris shall be separated per local regulations, placed in a dumpster or truck, and brought to a proper disposal site. Site preparation. We prepare the soil by adding additional soil where necessary, tilling the soil, and adequately grading and leveling the landscape. Proper drainage is created by creating slopes and contours that direct the water away from the building and into proper channels leading back to the Mississippi River. The process of leveling and grading is completed using machinery and laborers for areas close to the building. Hardscaping. The builder and laborers install hardscape features including the pathway and retaining walls according to the landscape design. The builder works closely with the laborers to ensure proper installation practices and safety are being used. The builder ensures the proper hardscaping alignment, stability, and structural integrity by taking all necessary requirements and measurements throughout the project and adjusting as needed. This process involves the use of construction techniques. Softscaping. Following the landscape design, the team adds local, sustainable plants, trees, shrubs, flowers, and other vegetation specific to the environment, climate, and soil conditions. The soil is prepared for planting by tilling, removing weeds, and adding fertilizer as needed dependent on the specific plant type. The landscape gardener ensures the proper planting techniques are used for each plant, including depth, spacing, and backfilling. Finally, the team spreads mulch, rock, or other ground coverage after appropriately installing the plants. The type of ground cover material depends on the plant's moisture and weed suppressant needs. The color and type of ground cover follows the landscape design. Irrigation and drainage. Winona Nursery and Landscaping Company purchases an irrigation system that meets the needs for the vegetation water requirements considering the plant type, climate, and soil conditions. The builder installs all the required components of the irrigation system, including sprinklers, drip lines, valves, controllers, and timers. The installer adequately tests the system components to ensure the system is sufficient for watering the plants and maintaining proper drainage. Once completed, the builder and landscape gardener evaluates the site and installs drainage tile where needed for specific landscaping areas where the slope is not optimal for drainage. Additional drainage options prevent waterlogging in the flooding zones and ensure healthy plants. Site cleanup. Winona Nursery and Landscaping Company removes construction debris, materials, equipment, and other vendor property from the site location upon completion. The landscaping team cleans the landscaping area of dirt, dust, and debris before the inspection to ensure the best appearance of the completed work. The project manager and senior landscaper conducts a final inspection with the project team. The inspection is of the entire landscape to address any deficiencies or areas that require additional work to meet the standards for acceptance. Documenting and training. Winona Nursery and Landscaping Company prepares and provides the Willow Bank with all necessary documentation, including maintenance guidelines, irrigation system warranty information, and all other relevant documents required for continued maintenance. Once completed, the project manager formally requests a final inspection with the project managers from both Winona Nursery and Landscaping and Willow Bank, following the procedures for acceptance stated in the project statement of work. And finally, we have project management. The Winona Nursery and Landscaping Company has a designated project manager to oversee and coordinate all aspects of the landscaping project and is the primary point of contact for all communication and documentation. We ensure effective project management and clear communication by developing and providing the documentation required. We provide documentation on all workers' health and safety requirements, including training, qualifications, and safety standards. The Winona Nursery and Landscaping Company meets all the requirements outlined in each bullet point, and any additional clarification on how each task is completed can be requested by contacting our project manager. The costs associated with the Willow Bank landscaping project are outlined in Table 1 and Table 2. The cost is taken from the Microsoft project file attached to this proposal. The file details the project schedule, materials, labor, and costs. The format is a breakdown of each milestone into tasks. Each task is represented here as a line item. Table 1 shows the Willow Bank landscaping project cost by phase. Table 2 shows the Willow Bank landscaping project labor and material cost. The project timeline is between July 31st through August 25th. The project management section is done throughout the project. Figure 2 shows the Willow Bank landscaping project timeline. To further emphasize the project's tasks, Figure 3 shows the Willow Bank landscaping project work breakdown structure. That concludes my presentation. However, I'd like to quickly summarize the main points that this proposal for the Willow Bank landscaping project has covered. The executive summary emphasized our dedication to providing a high-quality landscape that fulfills Willow Bank's vision and objectives while highlighting the essential components of our proposal. We have demonstrated our understanding of the project's scope and have outlined our approach to ensure the successful completion of the landscaping project. Our proposal's management section showcased our team's strong leadership and project management capabilities. We introduced our designated project management team and our designated project manager, who will oversee all aspects of the project, ensure effective communication, coordination, and adherence to timelines and project milestones. The technical section of our proposal dove into the specific landscaping activities we will undertake to transform the site into a beautiful and functional landscape. We have described our comprehensive approach to site clearing, soil preparation, installation of hardscape features, selection and planting of appropriate vegetation, installation of effective irrigation systems, and ensure proper drainage. Our technical expertise, attention to detail, and adherence to best practices will ensure the project's success. Our cost section provided a breakdown of costs for each aspect of the project, including labors, material, equipment, and other services required. Our pricing reflects our commitment to delivering value while maintaining the highest quality standards. Finally, the project schedule highlighted the project timeframe with a work breakdown structure of the project milestone and tasks. We sincerely appreciate your time and attention today. If anyone would like more information or ask questions, please feel free to contact us and connect with our project management team. Below are the references used to create this presentation.